Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe, asimaking sure ukuthi le channel iyakhula. Asikhulumeni-ke ngama-player we-Orlando Pirates yabo. Already Orlando Pirates isayine uSipho Mbuli laphana ku-midfielder ede ukwayiba. Ama-players laphana exciting ngempela, but uSipho Mbuli uye i-biggest player abalisayinile. Ukwayiba-ke mhlampe angakhompyutha nama-player already akhona laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, but maybe kungaba nzima. Ngimboni avele afika ku-Orlando Pirates abe yi-start yabo, kusamele alwe ngempela. But-ke ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-player angahamba laphana ku-Orlando Pirates awu-2 noma awu-3 engiwabonayo yabo. Njengoba baloke ba-add ama-midfielder laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, basayina amanye nama-quality players. Ngibona ama-player ayi-3 engingaboni ukuthi azohlala ku-Orlando Pirates. So uMusele angimbona ahlala ku-Orlando Pirates bafethu strugglile for i-game time after abuya kulokhunjana ku-Chippa United. Bazamile ukumnika ama-opportunity but azange awathathe lawo ma-opportunities lawo yabo. Elinye iplayer beli-exciting kakhulu before lifika ku-Orlando Pirates uNdlondlo. Ndlondlo naye same story, opportunities azange awathole that much, bebamnika nje ama-opportunities ambalwa. Naye ucishe afane noMusele, azange bathola ama-opportunities amaningi ngempela laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi baziprove kuleya season le Orlando Pirates ebuya kuyo yabo. So nomunye uKivudi, if ngisho kahle igama lakhe bafowethu, I don't see naye ahlala ku-Orlando Pirates. Ngicabanga ukuthi if khona ama-player abazowa-sacrifice laphana ku-Pirates bangamsacrifice naye. Maybe khona bangasurvive-ke lapho nalapho, but-ke mangibheka nje ama-player banga-offloada lawa ayi-3 kule midfielder ye-Orlando Pirates bangaba-offloada ngempela bafowethu, because manje already banama-player amaningi laphana ku-midfield yabo. Sobala nabo Silepa, abafana abancane laba abaqeda ukufika mhlampe nalowo bekayi-captain ye-DDC. Baningi laphana ku-midfield, abaningi kakhulu bafethu, bayafika ku-10 masingababala one by one yabo. So I think labafana abancane number 1 bazohamba baye kuma-loan abanye. Ongimbonayo ahlala mhlampe alwa uSlepe because yena sekakubafana bafana, futhi-ke umfana uyilwele leya position leya, nanokuthi-ke adlale lawo magame. I think yena-ke bazoba nesikhathi ngempela naye, bazokwazi ukumnika isikhathi ukuthi even if like usuka ebhenjini but uzowathola ama-minutes ambalwa uSlepe yabo. But-ke abanye I don't see them playing bafethu, ngibabona mhlampe babalona baya kwamanye ama-team. Lawa ama-player-ke la uNdlondlo, ubani uKivudi, nalo ubani uRasibuja lela player lela naye injured futhi. Okay, yena uku-injured for isikhathi eside, so ngeke ngimbale nokumbala bafethu. But-ke all in all nje abafana abaningi bazohamba ku-Orlando Pirates njengoba basayina ama-player angaka. Enye i-midfield engiyikhohliwe ukuyibala ile abayithathe ku-Stellenbosch bafethu, uNduli naye uza ne-experience enkulu laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Kusho ukuthi ama-player ngempela ku-Orlando Pirates amaningi azohamba yabo. It's the end, ama-player amaningi laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. But-ke nje solinde Orlando Pirates ba-announce ukuthi obani abazohamba, obani abazohlala, obani abazotravela nabo laphana ku-pre-season. Konke lokho siyokuzwa mhlampe just before the end of ulokhunjana uJune, because that's where ama-contractual ama-player aphela. Noma if awapheli bangeke bawa-renew or bazobanika ama-clearance because bayababona ukuthi they are just adding numbers laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Lucky enough abanye bangawathola ama-team ba-linked to amanye ama-teams already, but we just have to wait and see, sibone ukuthi obani abazohlala. Danke bafowethu.